Hello everyone, my name is Hari Krishna Anaraki Kanduvel and my metric number is 01DM20F2009. Today I am going to explain about the circuit 3.2, the circuit D launch. Okay, when the D is 0 and the enable is 0, the Qn plus 1 also 0 and Q bar n plus 1 also 0. Next, the D is 0, the enable is 1, the Qn plus 1 is 0 and the q bar n plus 1 is 1. Next is the D is 0 and the enable also is 0. So the output is q n plus 1 is 0 and the q bar n plus 1 also 0. Next, the D is 1 and the enable is 0. The output is qn plus 1 is 0 and the q bar n plus 1 is 1. Next, the D is n, D is 1 and enable is 1. So the output is uh, qn plus 1 is 1 and the q bar n plus 1 is 0. And the last one is D is 1 and the enable is 0. So the output is qn plus 1 is 0 and the q bar n plus 1 is 1. Thank you.